Welcome to the Friday XIAOMI Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So let's just first open the settings and then tap on the sounds and vibration section. Here we can see that the ringtone volume is muted, and just to unmute ringtone we should swipe to the right side with our finger, this volume panel. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then click here on the three dots, and just to unmute ringtone we should also swipe to the up this volume panel, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.